Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Doctor's appointment for my
What was your favorite part of the day that wasn't gym?
recess.
Yeah. You little turd! We got a package in the mail from Bulldog Depot. Wonder what it could be.
Another package, okay. Look at that. And it's got a buckle, seatbelt buckle, kind of class.
How cute! Scuba's collar now, because I don't know if they've actually seen what it looks like. It looks awful.
So here is the before fact that we needed a new collar for Scuba. This is before. And here's the after. Woohoo!
I cut some fruit up. He's eating a cheese stick, and we've got some pretzels. Pretzel sticks with his fruit and cheese. And we're ready to do flashcards. And then what? What? Chicken butt? Chicken butt. We're gonna show them your new book. Can you show your new book? Hi, Shagga. He's dead to the world right now. I guess we'll have to come back soon. We'll be back. He's so quick, I can't even get the camera on him. I just got off of work, so I am heading to Papa's house to pick up Mason. He has a minimum day on Wednesdays, and usually my mom picks him up on Wednesdays, but today my dad had a doctor's appointment, and so today Pop picked him up. Usually how our evening routine works is we pick Mason up from school. I make Mason do homework right after school because I like to get it over with. And then Mason has the rest of the evening to do whatever he wants. Lately he has been hating homework, and all his teacher asks is 20 minutes reading and flashcards of his multiplication facts. I don't know about you, but that seems like pretty easy homework, doesn't it to you? I think he's getting off pretty easy. So I don't know what to do to make him like reading better. I just don't know what to do. So we do that, and then he gets free time to do whatever he wants to do. Then we have dinner, and then we do Bible study, and then he can do whatever he wants again. But we've been trying to do like some family activity to get him off that stinking game for a little while. We either go fishing, we go hit balls at the baseball park. I forgot that for Christmas, yes, Christmas last year, doctor, I bought him this slime kit where you can make slime. So I think that's what we're gonna do tonight. How was the golf? What's wrong with your feet?
Be there in 1,000 years.
Well, they hurt so bad we're seeing the doctor in the morning.
Can I just not go to school?
So how was school today? Your favorite part of the day was gym? Okay, what was your favorite part of the day that wasn't gym?
Recess.
Yeah. You little turd! Rawr. Since he's done, which one
Perfect.
do you want him
This
to
one.
pour it
We
in?
need to do 3 of those.
Okay, 3 times and pour it in that one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Now
god.
you're done. Let me help him finish that up real
All
quick.
right.
It's up.
Daddy help.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I think I
Okay.
just made slime.
Now, here comes
Okay.
the next one.
Here we go. Get your red. Now, easy with the red now. Here it comes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What does this do? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh.
Okay, now rub it all together.
Oh, it's so slippery.
Whoa!
It's slippery. Oh my god.
Ew, it farted.
When you're done, you can put it on that box in one corner.
What's it smell like?
Raspberry.
Alright, here comes the cherry. And hold it. Hold it. We'll have extra of that to be able to add more when it loses its smell.
Oh, I already smell it.
Smell good?
Smells like a cherry lollipop.
I know it does.
Tastes good enough to eat.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think so.
It's slimy.
So now what do you do with it?
There. I don't like the feeling of it. It's gross. I don't like it. Ugh.
So weird.
I'm not weird. You're weird that you like the feeling of it. Yeah. It definitely does not do that. It just like lays there. Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? It's like 9:30 in the morning on a school day. Why are you in the car?
He can tell you.
Ah. Well, I'm gonna get driving and then Mason's gonna vlog because he needs some practice.
Okay, so I have a doctor's appointment for my leg. I've been having problems with my leg.
It's not your leg, it's your feet.
Well, it's both.
Okay, well,
Just
are you
don't
scared?
Kind of. I don't want him to cut my leg off. On my foot.
Why would he cut your foot off?
I don't know.
No.
But yeah, so that's where we're going, and we'll see you when we get there.
All right.
Ciao. So if you guys like this video, please do a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the red button below. And if you're new, let us know in the comments below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.